Yeah, we've been staying in this complex. We are one of the original people to move in February of 1997. So it's almost 27 years that we've been staying here. And when we took the flat, of course, we had to get basic furnishings in place. So we did some basic things like wardrobe, kitchen cabinets. But that was all 27 years back. And nothing was planned. It was just done with our ideas. Carpentry we got, and then Mumbai also was a new place for us. And that's how it was for 27 years. In between, we even got the bathrooms done once or twice. And then thought, then we shifted in retirement to Pune, and the flat was used and we created again little renovation and repairs. So we gave it to the company, and it was like a clean canvas color. We had nothing in mind because we knew our expertise. That see the architect, experienced architect of 10 years done so many projects. And then we had nothing much to tell her because we said, okay, now this is a blank canvas, see how best, what can be done. And we were amazed with the transformation. It was beyond our expectation, really. Very sincerely, I can say that, isn't it? And the way it has come up, like we could use whatever, I would say, maybe salvage may not be the right way, but we worked around the existing furniture, gave it enhance the looks of it simply by putting a proper color combination of the walls, the flooring color combination. The kitchen particularly was something outstanding, something fantastic. And even her ideas of opening up the wall has given a tremendous depth. Don't you feel that you wish you would have made a kitchen like that? You would never have a place.
Kitchen is the best part, I think, because she kept the kitchen cabinets as they were, and she opened up and made it more airy and cheerful.
Yeah.
And I'm sure everyone who sees it is going to agree. And that was the best part. She retained everything, all the cabinets and cupboards and everything, and she gave her touch to it. And I think it is very challenging instead of a plain flat to do up a place which was already used and which already had furniture. So accordingly, she made it just so beautiful. Wish we could have stayed here.
And it simply opened up the flat. We never imagined that it would be so airy, so bright, and
and this balcony in the living room, which was I would enter it only to dry clothes, and now it has become a place to sit and have your me time over there. See YouTube and all that, or do some crochet work.
And it's such a nice place now even for youngsters. Because we intend giving it on rent. So obviously there will be some families who will be moving in with kids and all, and it will be a fantastic place, for them to hang out.
And even the master bedroom has one single window, small window, which is opened up and made it really beautiful. So you can sit in that corner, very cozy.
And it's all bright. You see all the greenery around, and as it says, window in the master bedroom.
In short, it's just so beautiful. Only wish we could have stayed for a day.
I thought it was such an eyesore earlier.
Yeah.
With just some people, putting some projections on some flimsy asbestos or some patra kind of a thing. It has given it a different look altogether. Then coming to the bedrooms also, and here even the ambience, entering the flat, the apartment, even the placement, the phone pattern has come out so well, and even the passage going to the bedrooms, amazing. So kudos to our team. They have really worked together and have done what kind of brainstorming to achieve this.
Yes.
Okay, so we feel that we got it on the platter kind of. We didn't have to interact at all. All ideas.
I wish it was done like this when we moved in for the first time.
Even the painting on the wall, the ceilings, it is something new. It's like a agenda for us. It's something amazing. Yes, and the matching of even the flooring in the kitchen,
Yes.
matched with the furniture. As I said earlier, use the kitchen cabinets. You didn't have to change the format. Even the polishing job.
That is looking more beautiful than
More beautiful.
kitchen tiles also.
Even the bathroom, which is done up, has come up so well.
I think that's that.
No, it's really amazing. It's got a wonderful team, and we interacted with them.
Yeah, they were very conscious and they seemed also equally passionate.
Very passionate, very capable, and whatever you think of. I can go on and on, but I think there is no end to the accolades we can pass on to Bhakti and her team. What else is that interesting?
The look was about the flat, no doubt. I like the flat a lot, and for me, I used to come in between when the flat was getting ready, but I had left the complete flat transformation to Bhakti, and she is very professional and honest, and also her team is excellent, very professional, and I just want to say that very few people are educated in this line. So she has a civil engineering background, plus she has her own team past 15 years, and the approach is very professional, unlike other contractors who maybe give a lump sum quotation. She gives a detailed quotation, and the works and her work speaks for itself. So very happy, and I told Mom and Dad that after seeing the finished product, I told them that I felt like shifting in the flat, so it is done up so well, and as Dad said, it's opened up the flat and made it very airy and roomy, cheerful, and I especially like the Bhakti's idea of the kota in the passage. It gives a bungalow feel.
Yes.
And also the wallpaper, this is all new for us. This is not a wallpaper, it's a painting on the beautiful walls, and it looks like a wallpaper. So all these, we don't come from a interior design background, but it helps if somebody does the work and from the background, so it really makes a difference.
And we do appreciate it's looking so good.
It's looking superb. Bathrooms are looking superb. Bedrooms is just superb.
And what we realize is that it's always better to trust and entrust
Yeah.
the work of
Professional.
professionals. We tend to think that we can do it and just try to save money.
Yeah.
But
We can do it on our own.
then it
But
becomes a very
ultimately there is a mismatch. It is
Mismatch.
not that.
So for us, we
harmonious.
completely trusted Bhakti doing up the place. So we don't like to get in between of our work. And I mean, we used to give our opinion, but we have left the execution part to her. So very happy with the result, and it's looking superb.
Yeah, we put the monkey on our back. He said we don't know to deal with it.
Yeah. So the idea for the renovation was to lease out the property, and I'm happy to say that it got leased out in one day.
Yeah.
And we got a rent which was much more than the market. So
Yeah.
that was our intention, and that was accomplished.
That happened.
Because of Bhakti.
that person who would be coming to stay here, he had come from another state 3 times, but when he saw this, he took a decision in just 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And he said, yes, मुझे यहीं रहना है.
That was a success victory for us as well as for the team and Bhakti. So very happy with the result.
Okay,
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Your time means a lot And if you resonate with my content, do like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye. Thanks.